already have two topiary trees, two fake trees in pots sitting on my front porch. And I really wanted to do something to make them a little bit more spooky for Halloween. So I looked on Pinterest and I found a craft that looked relatively simple. And the best part is it only requires 3 additional supplies. So I'm gonna show you now how to put together something that's spooky, simple, and fun. The supply list for this project is really pretty straightforward and simple. I assume that you already have a topiary, perhaps already in a pot. The only things that you need to get are spiderwebs, skulls, and chopsticks. I picked chopsticks just because they're cheap and easy to find. However, you really just need anything that will fit in the back of the skull. The hole in the back is 1/2 inch in diameter. Some simple alternatives if you can't find chopsticks are things like tie wires or stakes or even pencils will work just fine. Back so you can actually use some of the webbing, just pull it around it to kind of hold it in place, just like that. Take a look here at the before and after. I did not weatherproof my topiaries. They are just sitting on my porch exactly as they are, so that's not something that I'm really worried about. I would love for you to give this DIY project a try. Mention in the comments what you thought, what went well, what didn't. Tell me any other decor that you may have added to make yours look extra spooky and fabulous. I am the Modern Mayvenial. Please subscribe now for more DIY projects and pearls of wisdom.